People on the internet have been sharing some strange things they can do with their bodies that most other people don't seem to be able to do. Well, for the most part, it's an absolute horror show of people who are hyperflexible. There are people who can bend their arms, fingers, and necks to degrees that would make the rest of us seek immediate medical attention. And then there are people who can shoot breast milk out of their armpits.
I can shoot milk out of my armpit. And if it wasn't disgusting enough just to hear it, I'm gonna prove it. If you or someone you know can do this, please do this because I can't be the only one. Please tell me I'm not the only one who can do this.
To explain this, breast tissue doesn't just stop at the breasts. A tail of breast tissue called the axillary tail of Spence extends into the underarm area where it can become engorged, mainly during early breastfeeding. As these never get drained, the tissues stop producing milk pretty quickly. The breakout star of the weird body trend is an American who goes by the username Ray McKenzie.
So apparently my best friend thinks this is my time to shine. When I was 2 years old, my mom slammed a door shut on my finger and it ripped off the top piece of my finger. This was back in the 90s and I got a skin graft. So they took the skin, instead of taking it from like the back of my leg or a piece under my arm or something, they didn't want the scar to grow as I grew. So they took it from my groin area, my bikini line. Well, when I got home with the cast, I dunked my hand in the toilet and it got wet inside the cast, so my finger healed wrong and it turned brown, which is really weird. But that's not even the best part. So when I hit puberty and I started growing hair down there, I also started growing hair on my finger. Kids found that out in school and then they started calling me Coochie Finger. Anyways, here's my finger. Probably can't see the hair.
So friends, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on one of my videos again.